In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice for the mortgage company. We're going to go into your billing, endorsement fees and taxes, and we're going to edit that. And this will be an agency bill paid in full. And this is the renewal premium. Now from here, once we have our receivable and our payable, we want to be able to create the invoice. I'm going to click Save and Create Invoice for Receivable and issue payment and the agency commissions. Now, if you want, you can just do the invoice if you're not going to do the issue payment. Either way works, except for this one gives that additional step of creating the issue payment. In this case, I'm just going to create the invoice. Okay, so now I'm going to go up to my documents, invoices and receipts. And as you can see, I'm going to click on Actions and Edit next to this invoice. This will default as billed to the insured, but in this case, you want it to go to a mortgage company or a different additional interest. You will click in that drop-down box and click Additional Interest Party. And then you're going to select who we are billing it to. Now it will populate the additional interests information to be billed to them, and then you can save this and email it out or mail it out, print it, whatever you need to do. But if you want to view it, this is what it will look like. It's billed to Anytown Bank. Insured is Shepherd Book Construction. If you have any questions, we're always happy to help.